how to get Walter Presents free trial. First, you want to open your Safari, and here you want to simply tap on search bar and search for Walter Presents free trial. After that, you'll see a Walter Presents tab on Channel 4 website. It's because Walter Presents is a part of Channel 4 website. You want to simply tap on here. On the Channel 4 website, you'll be able to stream some of the videos on the Walter 4 app. And on the Channel 4 website, you'll be able to stream your movies, or you'll be able to stream some movies for free. However, if you want to upgrade to the Channel 4 website, on the website, you want to simply tap on this upgrade option over here. After that, here you'll see an option called £39.99 for annual plan. Here you can also see that it provides 7-day free trial for $39.99. You want to simply tap on sign up to Channel 4 annual, fill out all the details that the app is asking, make your payments, and you'll be able to access your 7-day free trial. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.